Have you ever stopped to think that the smallest things in nature often hide the greatest secrets? Inside that tiny dried flower bud resting quietly in your kitchen cabinet lies one of nature's most powerful medicines. That little bud is the clove. For centuries, healers across different cultures used it to treat pain, infections, and fatigue. But what if you decided to eat just 2 cloves every single day for 1 week? Could such a small act really change your health? The truth behind this humble spice might surprise you more than you could imagine. When you place a single clove in your mouth, you can immediately sense its strength. The warmth, the tingling, the burst of flavor, it's more than taste, it's energy. Hidden within that small bud is a natural oil called eugenol, one of the most potent compounds known to ancient herbal medicine. Modern research confirms what our ancestors already knew. Eugenol has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It can kill harmful microbes, reduce swelling, and protect your cells from damage. But that's only the beginning. Cloves are also packed with vitamin K, manganese, and antioxidants that defend your body from the inside out. When taken daily, they can improve digestion, boost circulation, stabilize blood sugar, and strengthen your immune system. Now imagine what happens when this little spice becomes part of your everyday routine. On the first and second days, something subtle begins inside your gut. The compounds in cloves stimulate your digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. You may notice that bloating and heaviness after meals slowly fade away. Your stomach feels lighter, cleaner, more comfortable. It's as though your digestion suddenly wakes up from a deep sleep. By the 3rd and 4th days, the transformation continues upward, to your mouth and throat. The strong antibacterial power of eugenol starts working where you least expect it. The bacteria that cause bad breath and gum inflammation are gradually reduced. Your mouth feels fresher, your breath stays clean for longer, and even small gum irritations begin to disappear. Some people describe this as a detox of the mouth, a cleansing that brings back a feeling of freshness you didn't realize you were missing. When day 5 arrives, the magic goes deeper. Cloves naturally warm the body. They help dilate blood vessels and stimulate circulation. You may notice your hands and feet feeling a little warmer, your energy becoming steadier, and your focus sharper. It's not the jittery energy that caffeine brings, but a calm, strong flow that feels natural and balanced, like your blood is carrying new vitality to every cell. On day 6, your immune system quietly strengthens itself. If you had a stuffy nose, mild cough, or fatigue, you might feel your breathing ease and your energy return. Cloves work as a natural antimicrobial shield, helping your body fight viruses and bacteria. They don't just mask symptoms, they support your body's ability to defend itself. Each day, as you take your 2 small cloves, your system becomes cleaner, stronger, and more resistant. And finally, by day 7, the difference is undeniable. You wake up feeling lighter, more energized, and strangely balanced. Your sugar cravings start to fade. Your mind feels clearer. Some even notice brighter skin and improved mood. It's as though your entire body has been quietly reset. Who would have thought that 2 tiny buds could bring such harmony? Yet nature works in whispers, not in shouts. And this is one of its quiet miracles. Now, if you want to use cloves more intentionally, there are simple ways to prepare them that can target specific needs. One of the easiest methods is clove tea. Just boil 3 cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes, then drink it warm after meals. It soothes your stomach, reduces gas, and helps with digestion. If you struggle with high blood sugar, soak 2 cloves overnight in a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. This gentle remedy helps your body regulate glucose naturally. When you have a cough or sore throat, crush 2 cloves and mix them with a spoonful of raw honey. Take it before bed. The combination eases irritation, clears mucus, and calms your throat through the night. For toothache or gum discomfort, blend 2 drops of clove oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and massage gently onto the affected area. The natural anesthetic effect can bring quick relief and fight bacteria at the same time. If you deal with joint pain or stiffness, warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add 4 crushed cloves, let it sit for a few minutes, then strain and massage the oil into the sore areas. The warmth helps improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. To care for your heart and circulation, try clove and ginger tea. Boil 2 cloves and a small slice of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 minutes. Drink this in the morning to awaken your body and strengthen your heart. For a daily immune and energy boost, grind 2 cloves with a small piece of cinnamon and add the powder to your smoothie, oatmeal, or coffee. It not only adds a comforting flavor, but also enhances your natural defense system. And if stress or anxiety often weigh you down, there's a simple ritual you can try. Crush 4 cloves and place them in a bowl of steaming water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply for several minutes. The scent of eugenol acts as a natural relaxant, calming the nervous system and bringing clarity to your thoughts. When your sinuses are congested, repeat this process but add a bit of mint or eucalyptus to the steam. It helps open the nasal passages, clears mucus, and eases pressure in the head. And for something as simple as bad breath, you can chew a single clove after meals. The oils released act as a natural mouth cleanser that keeps your breath fresh for hours. But as with any natural medicine, balance is everything. Cloves are powerful, and too much can irritate your stomach or cause discomfort. 2 to 3 cloves a day is more than enough to gain their benefits safely. If you take blood-thinning medications, you should avoid regular clove consumption, since eugenol can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should always check with their doctors before trying this practice. And remember, never swallow cloves dry and whole. They are too strong for your stomach lining. Always chew them slowly, soak them in water, or use them in tea to let their power release gently. By the end of your 7-day experiment, you might be amazed at how different your body feels. Your digestion becomes smoother, your breath cleaner, your energy more stable. Even your mood may lift as your system comes back into balance. It's a subtle transformation, but one that brings genuine renewal. Nature doesn't rush, yet its results endure. So the next time you open your spice drawer and see that small jar of cloves, think of it differently. Inside those tiny buds lies a force of restoration and strength. They ask for nothing more than consistency and respect. 2 small pieces each day, taken mindfully, can help your body remember how to heal itself. You don't need complex supplements or expensive treatments. Sometimes the most profound medicine grows quietly on a tree branch, waiting to be rediscovered. Take 7 days. Listen to your body. Notice how it responds. Feel your digestion calm, your breath refresh, your energy rise from within. If it helps you, share this simple wisdom with someone who needs healing too. Because sometimes, the smallest actions, the ones we almost overlook, create the biggest changes in how we live and how we feel. If this message speaks to you, stay connected for more natural remedies and reflections from the healing power of the earth. Let this be a reminder. Nature never stopped offering its medicine. We just stopped listening. Perhaps it's time to listen again, starting with 2 tiny cloves.